Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a bit of a market update or a stock update on Yahoo. So let's get into it. Alright traders, before I get into this video, just a disclaimer, as you know that trading is risky. You know, it can cause substantial financial loss. Trading has a lot of different things to it that makes you a good trader, right? And you need to keep working on that. When you do become good, then you need to keep working even harder. You know what I mean? You need to have the right mindset. You need to have the right psychology, the right focus. You need to be calm. You need to have the right trading system. You need to be patient. You need to have a good trade management. You need to have good money management. There's a lot of different things that goes in becoming a good trader, and it's not for everyone. Okay. So anyway, let me actually get into looking at Yahoo right now, and I'll show you what I'm seeing on Yahoo, and yeah, we can move on from that. So firstly, what I want to show you is the Yahoo weekly chart. You can see here on the excuse me, you can see here on the weekly chart, right, that we are definitely in an overall downward trend here. You can see there's sort of a trend going down through here, a bit of a channel, and we're at a bit of a channel here as well too down the bottom here. Okay, so we are in a bit of an overall downward trend, and we also can see that we've had this major area of support and resistance being broken. So looking very, 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 very bearish, right? Overall, we are getting a bit of stochastics pointing up here on the weekly chart. I'm not too worried about that personally, because as you can see here, that the market ran up a little bit and then suddenly tanked down through there. So I'm personally not too worried about that. So that's what I see on the weekly chart. Now looking on the daily chart here, let's have a look at here on the daily chart. The daily chart here is obviously telling me a lot of different story, a different story here. Oh, sorry, the same story, but it's telling me more of a story, should I say? Oh man, Monday morning, that's what it does to you, right? We take some time off, getting back into it. So you can see here, right, that the moving averages are all coming down. 20s below the 52, 52s below the 200, and they're all coming down through here, right? Looking very, very, very bearish at all. So for me, this is a very bearish stock. We're getting the stochastics almost in the oversold level. We are getting to that over point. Let's see if I can bring up some trend lines. There you go, through there. We are getting to a point where it's getting close to that support and resistance level. We also do have some sort of support and resistance level going on through there as well too. So right now we're at a whole bunch of area resistance, and this here, maybe one or two more updates, but I see this thing coming right back down to 36 really, really, really quickly. I mean, not in a day, but you know, maybe a week or two. That's what I mean by really quickly. So that's what I see on Yahoo. For me personally, I'm looking for a bit more of an upside. I want to see the stochastics get up here, and then stochastics get up here, and then I want to see it start to turn over, and that may be a nice little entry signal for me. I'm starting to get the moving averages pointing down, so that's looking very, very, very bearish there. And as you can see, as the market started to run down by going short here, and possibly even short here, that's the time you want to be going short there, right? You want to be going that's the much probability, if you look at the trades, going short or buying puts or whatever strategy you want to do with that. It's much better doing that, right? As you can see, if you went long here, didn't do much, went long there, didn't do much, went long here, it's not really done much either. You're struggling, right? So that's what I see here. We've gone through a bit of a sideways market. We've gone down, having a little bit more upside. Give me a little bit more upside, and then give me some more downward movement through here, and that may be something I'll be interested in. Again, I've got to do a bit of analysis. I'm not saying I'm going to jump into this, but I am saying that if it does set up right, I will be going into a bearish setup through here, bearish trade, and looking to trade it on the downside. So, anyway, guys, that's a bit of an update on Yahoo. Yahoo stock right now is definitely coming back down to where its median point has been for the last couple of years, which is around that 35 to 40 level. But I see this thing coming down even more. I'm not sure what fundamentally this is saying about the stock, but obviously, you know, it's not saying good things about the stock either. Makes sense? So anyway, guys, this is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.